my outfit. I'm wearing my bonnet and I'm wearing my boots. My husband's there. This is his Valentine's date for me, walking in the snow. Alright guys, I'm gonna bring you with me. Let's walk around the city, guys. I'm wearing my mask, guys, because I don't want to get fined. When you're going out here, must wear mask. And we have to send SMS to a designated number. So there's a number that say you want to go to supermarket. Then you have to message to, then your name and your address. And then if you want to go for a walk, just now we send number 6. So 6, my name, and then my address, our address, guys. So if someone check us outside while we're walking, then we can show that, and then we also bring along with us our passport, guys. Oh, it's so cold, guys. I'm wearing gloves. If I'm not wearing gloves, my hands is freezing. It's really numb. Let's take a walk, guys, and enjoy the snow while it's still snowing. Oh, it's slippery, guys. This part is slippery. See? 110. This is the train station, guys. My husband is ahead of me. He's walking ahead of me, guys. He's cleaning his car. It's slippery, guys, to walk on ice. We're already in the center, guys. We're in the square now, guys. Look at here. So nice to take picture with the snow, guys. Car. I think this car is clearing the snow. Right there. We're going back home already, guys. We're going back home already, guys. We're going back home already. Oh, and it's slippery. You have to be careful. Because the snow, the ice is slippery when you step on it. It's the snowing, it's the snowing, it's the snowing. Guys, I'm sipping my coffee. Oh, it's really cold. Here, guys, it's 0 degrees Celsius. It's nice to sip a cup of coffee. Still snowing a bit.